Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying out some of my alcohol inks. I picked these up on Amazon. Everything will be in the description below. And yeah, so the tools that I'm using are straw, paintbrush and rolled up blue roll. I've seen people use that as well, so we'll see how that goes. So I've actually got two types of brands of alcohol inks. These are my Jacquard Pinata colour alcohol inks. I've actually used this white one before in last week's video, but I haven't used any of the others. And I also picked up a rose gold alcohol ink from Ranger as well. One day I will learn to open packages properly, but anyways, this is the alcohol blending solution from Ranger and some very handy dandy instructions on the back because I have yet to Google anything. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I think that's fun, exciting, and we're here to experiment. So now I'm picking my colour theme for the paintings. I've gone with the Pinata blue, green and white, and then the Ranger rose gold alcohol ink. And this is where the downfall of not Googling instructions comes into play, because I'm using here my watercolour paper and that's porous, and you should be using glossy paper, hence why I've switched now to my photo paper here. So I cut down a size of A4 paper into 4 little A6 rectangles and prepared all the bottles. I had to give the rose gold one a bit of a shake because the pigments are sort of separated a little, and then I got to blending, and with the glossy paper the colours just slide on so much better and you can blend them and mix them, and it's just a lot better than the porous paper. So yeah, I went in with an open mind. I didn't set out to paint anything in particular. I just had fun with blending the colours and just plopping bits of blue and white and gold and green just in random spaces, and watching them blend was just incredible. That was the best part of it, definitely. And then I'm just using the little rolled up blue roll to sort of spread the colour out a bit more evenly, and then using the straw to push the colour. So I hope you enjoy this little time lapse of the 3 remaining paintings. I will stop my voiceover now so you can enjoy this. And here are the 4 paintings. I love them so much. Oh my god, literally, I can't stop looking at them. Even now they're right beside me and I'm just getting so distracted. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had an absolute blast making it. Don't forget to like, maybe comment down below anything, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe because I love it. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.